guys, it's me Jaytee and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be teaching you guys another song to play on the ukulele. But before anything else, shoutout muna tayo. Shoutout kay Kayla Gadgad, Dean Chikainalin Molina, Irish Ventura, Rian J. De La Rhea, Laarni Kimbo, Maria Alisa Ramos, Von Villegas, Alex Limbaga, Michael Cobillas, and lastly, shout out kay Maria Abigail Agid. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood at patuloy na pagsuporta sa channel na to. Kasi guys, about a few days ago, nag 100,000 na tayo! And I couldn't reach this milestone without all of you guys. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much. So, wag natin patagalin yung intro na to. Grab your ukulele because today I'm gonna teach you how to play Bad Guy by Billie Eilish. So for today's tutorial, I'll be using my concert ukulele from Hurricane, and this is in Nakoa wood. And so if you want to purchase Hurricane ukuleles, then just drop a message on my Facebook page. The link is on the description box below. So in order to play Bad Guy by Billie Eilish, you need to learn 3 basic chords. So the first chord is a G minor. It should look like this. So G minor, lalagay mo lang yung index finger mo dito, middle finger here, and your fourth finger should be placed here. So para siyang ganyan. Ganyan yung G minor, and then the next chord that you should learn is the chord of C minor. Ayan. So index, middle, fourth finger dito sa 3rd fret. Okay? And then the last chord that you should learn is the chord of D major 7. And this chord is kinda hard kasi magbabar ka. So you have to clip it just like this using your index finger, and then put your pinky finger here sa 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5th fret na first string. Or, ayan o. Kung nakikita nyo yung circle dyan sa fretboard nyo, yan yung parang palatandaan. And if you don't have this circles here on your fretboard, some models of the ukulele, makikita nyo siya dito sa gilid. So, kung may makita kayong tuldok-tuldok, so, yun na yun. Okay? So, again, D major should sound like this. Bar, 2nd fret, entire 2nd fret, and then put your pinky finger here. So, yun yung mangyayari sa verses and also the intro of this song. So, eto 3 chords lang talaga yung gagamitin natin. G minor, C minor, and D major. So, dito sa G minor, yung strumming pattern natin is down, down, up, 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 down. Ganon. Okay? So, in strumming your ukulele, the down strums, I'm just using the nail of my index finger for the down strums, just like this. And for the up strums, I'm using my thumb. So, parang ganito yung itsura ng kamay ko pag nagsa-strum. So, down, and then up. Down, up, down, up. Okay? So, position, G minor. Down, down, up, 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 down. Ganon. Down, down, up, 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 down. Yan. That is for the G minor, and then you have to repeat that twice. So, 1, 2, 3, go. Down, down, up, 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 down. Tapos, repeat. Down, down, up, 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 down. And then, move on to the next chord, which is C minor. Ayan, and then do the same strumming pattern. Down, down, up, 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 down. And then, for the D major, ayan, yung strumming pattern natin dito is down, down, up, 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 down. Ganon. So, down, down, up, 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 down. So, 3 up lang yun. Whereas dito sa G minor and C minor, may 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. May 5 down strums, up strums tayo dun. Up strums. Okay, correction, up strums. So, again, G minor, down, down, up, 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 down, 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 up, 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 down, C minor, up, 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 down, tapos D major, down, down, up, 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 down. Ganon. Okay? So, yun lang yung mangyayari dito sa intro and sa verses natin. So, let's try to sing the verse 1. White shirt, now red, now on both my knees for you. Don't say thank you or please. I do what I want when I'm wanting to. My soul so cynical. Ganon. Okay? So for the chorus, we still have 3 chords. G minor, C minor, and then D major. And then for the strumming pattern, yung pattern natin dyan is down, down, up, down, up, 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 down. So that's strum for the D major. Okay? So again, in strumming your ukulele, para hindi kayo mahirapan, just use your 2 fingers and form it just like this. And for the down strums, just use the nail of your index finger. And then for the up strums, just use your thumbnail. Ganon. Okay? So you're a tough guy, like it really rough guy, just can't get enough guy, just always so tough guy. I'm that bad type, make your mama sad type, make your girlfriend mad type, might seduce your dad type. I'm the bad guy. Duh. So, ayun lang. So, for the last chord, we have D major. So, just strum once and just use your thumb in strumming it. Okay? So, again, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, and then transfer, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Tapos, isang strum lang ng D major. And then, let's move on to the next part, which is the post-chorus. I'm the bad guy. Duh. So, sa part na yun, yung after na chorus, yung post-chorus, puro strumming lang tayo dun. So, we still have 3 chords for that part. G minor, C minor, and D major. Okay? So, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So, you have to repeat this part for the G minor 4 times. And then, dalawa or tatlo sa C minor. Taka. Down, up, 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 tapos D major. Okay? So, slowly, down, up, 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 transfer. Yun lang yung sa post-chorus natin. And then, after that one, diretso ka na dun sa strumming pattern natin sa verses. So, yung tinuro kanina, yung ganun din siya. Okay? So, diba, last chord natin dyan is D major. I like it when you take control, even if you know what you don't own me. I'll let you play the role. I'll be your animal. My mommy likes to sing along with me, but she won't sing this song. If she reads all the lyrics, she'll pity the men I know. Ayan. And then, balik ka na naman sa chorus. So you're a tough guy, like it really rough guy, just can't get enough guy, just always so tough guy. I'm the bad type, make your mama sad type, make your mama bad type, might seduce your dad type. I'm the bad guy. Duh. Tapos balik tayo sa post-chorus. So, ulit-ulit lang yun. And then, after that part, yung reprise na, I like when you get mad. I guess I'm pretty glad that you're alone. You said you're scared of me? I mean, I don't see what you see, but maybe it's just rain in your cologne. Yeah. So, sa part na yun, parang rap naman siya. So, parang hindi na natin kailangan yun i-play. But if you wanna play it, G minor lang po yung lahat ng chords doon. I like when you get mad. I guess I'm pretty glad that you're alone. You said she's scared of me. I mean, I don't see what she sees, but maybe it's 'cause I'm wearing your cologne. Yeah, I'm a bad guy. I'm a bad guy. I'm a bad guy. I'm a bad guy. Hey guys, so thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you're interested to watch my latest ukulele cover or tutorials, you may click the video right here. And if you're interested to watch my latest vlogs, you may click the video right there. And I'll see you guys on my next video, and make sure to subscribe.